Hey there, this is Demitri with the Demitri team, and I'm coming to talk to you a little bit about a home warranty. So, we're going to sell your house, and between the time we get it listed and the time that you actually sell it, you don't want to have any surprises in repair bills. Something goes out you didn't plan on. There's nothing worse than like having to scramble to get that done. By putting a home warranty on your house now, two things happen. One, you're protected in that interim period while you're waiting to get your house sold. And secondly, you now have a value add. You have something you can pass to the buyer that protects them as well. So it will protect all sorts of things on your home. It's really pretty cheap, less than $70 a month actually. So if we were to come back to what it would cover, it's pretty much everything within your house. Your air conditioning, your plumbing, dishwasher, microwave, burglar alarm, garbage disposal. So let me play this quick video from the actual home warranty themselves so you kind of get an idea.
It can take a while for a new house to feel like your home. I'm Nikki Boyer with more warranty wisdom. We've all been there. You move into a new house and everything is unfamiliar. You might not know where the light switch is or why does the floor creak that way. You know what I mean. Your rooms and appliances can take some getting used to. And after moving into a new home, the last thing you need is another sky-high repair bill. HWA covers repair and replacement costs on major appliances and systems, including heating, water heaters, electrical systems, whirlpool tubs, dishwashers, refrigerators, and ductwork. You can also add on coverage for special items like pools, spas, or even an extra refrigerator. Another important tip, HWA has different plan levels. So when you think you need to file a claim, it's important to pay close attention to your contract so you can be sure about what's covered. If you have any questions, our customer service team is here to help walk you through the details and answer your questions. A new home shouldn't come with unwelcome surprises, but your home warranty from HWA can make sure you're covered in case it does.
All right, so that I think helps you get an idea of the value of adding a home warranty, both for protecting you as well as something to pass on with the value add. I hope this has been helpful for you. Demitri with the Demitri team, and we look forward to working with you soon.